Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel. James Egan's up. Well, what I've got for you now is colourful Nightlight alarm clock. Made in China. Netzu. It's also got a vibrating device that goes under your pillow to wake you up. It's for deaf people as well, if you're deaf. So, yep. Right, just 1 second and I'll set it to go off and you can see for yourself on the vibrating thing. Right, I've set it for 7:20. Right, as you can see, 7:20 there. So just wait and see what it's like. Right, here's this. It's on 19 now, so it should go off at 7:20. So yeah, it's set on high. 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, yeah, lad. Won't be a minute. It won't be a minute. Hear it? Imagine that under your pillow. That's on low. And that's back on high. Even if you've got earplugs in, you can still hear it. Isn't that great? Right, I'll read you a bit about it. Right, snooze function. Snooze duration 9 minutes. Turn on and off snooze function. Right, so it's got that. Screen colour and brightness adjustment. Screen colour and brightness adjustment. In any mode, touch screen to adjust the screen display colour from the following options: white, red, green, blue, random colour changing, RGB changing from left to right, and RGB changing from top down to low. Right, yeah. What else? Screen brightness as well. You can turn that up and down. What else? Same with the light, touch screen. A brightness adjustment. What else? You put batteries in it as well. Charging function, factory mode setting, default time, AM 12, default time format, 12 hour default alarm time, AM 2 groups, default nightlight colour. Specifications, blah, 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 blah. Package content: 1 colourful nightlight clock, 1 vibrator, 1 manual, 1 type C connect, 1 adapter, right? Battery warning, yeah, safety instructions. You got 24 hour and you got 12 hour. And there's the back of it. As well. What else? So there you go. So it's very good. I'm well pleased with it. Because I sometimes wear my earplugs in. If the guy from upstairs is making a bit of noise, which he doesn't that much really, but you know, so you can hear it with the vibrator. You heard how loud it was. So you know my marking system, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 for gold star, and off the charts. What would I give it so far? I've just used the vibrating stuff, but I've told you about the other stuff. 10 out of 10, to be honest. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Well, I'm well happy with it. Anyway, see you on the next one.